like to make stuff, cook? Anybody? You want to be a cook? Come on over.
What am I doing? Hi.
Okay. So, you ready? Ready, Joy? We are going to. What's your name? Hi, Sage. I'm going to set up a table with the ingredients, and while Angelo's mom is a very famous video personality, and we're going to play one of her very great videos where she's explaining how to make something. It's a very simple recipe. Okay? No, it's very simple. It's very easy. And when you're done, you'll have a beautiful jar of something beautiful to take home with you. Okay? Okay, so let's get it all. It's not going to be anything like that. It's going to be very sweet and very nice. Okay, so I'm going to set the table up for you over here, and you can. And so why don't you go stand over there, Sage? Give Sage a round of applause for being such a great, just an all-around great person. Okay, so Angelo, you want to say something real quick before we start the video?
Sure. So real quick, my mom's like funny Greek lady. She's a star on my YouTube channel. This isn't just a cooking show. What happened, the setup behind it, so it's a funny cooking show. If you know Tim and Eric, they did a parody, Tim's Kitchen Tips, a couple of years ago. Well, my mom didn't know it was comedy. She thought it was real and it was disgusting. So we made a video criticizing it, and then Tim saw it and challenged her to a cook-off. So I thought, well, we have to one-up him to build this rivalry. We have to get our fans, on point. So I rented a studio, furnished a set, built it, hired a crew, and we shot a copy of Tim's Kitchen Tips called Angelo's Mom's Cooking Tips. So that's what you're going to see.
Okay.
Take it easy.
Should I run it, Angelo?
Yeah, go for it.
Welcome to Angelo's Mom's Cooking Tips. I'm Angelo's mom, and this is my new internet cooking show. I'm going to make a Greek salad dressing today with olive oil, vinegar, and spices. It's very easy, and I'm pretty sure you have all these ingredients at home. And if you don't have it, well, that's bad. That's no good. Anyway, I'm going to make salad dressing with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs, and also feta cheese we don't have right now. I think everybody should cook Greek, and it should be universal, but obviously you can change. Men, they're not allowed to cook. That's women's job, and I don't mean it in a bad way, but we are the best on Greek cook. Okay, and now the fun part starts. I'm going to start with olive oil. This is McNeil's olive oil, and I swear it's the best. And if McNeil's olive oil company exists, we're all in trouble. I don't have to measure anything. You don't even have to measure anything. You just pour, just like that. Look how beautiful. It looks like gold. Look at that. And now vinegar. Because this is slow, I'm gonna remove the cover, and I'm just gonna, I think I put a little bit too much, but it won't matter. You can do anything you want with it. Don't make it too sharp. Okay, and now we're going to garlic. I use garlic clove, but I don't have it. So garlic powder will do. Okay. And now the best, oregano. Like I said, the Greek mountains you go, you smell the oregano. You smell the oregano from the water. Okay, a little more of that. It won't hurt to put a little extra, give a little more bite to the side. And pepper. It's a little more. Don't worry, it'll be fine. We be careful not to spill anything. We don't do that. Whoops, I didn't do it. But it should be okay. A little more. I want to taste it. It is good. And now we're gonna pour. Not all of it, but because you don't want to make it saggy. Okay, that's fine. And now we're gonna mix. Okay. And this is not a Greek salad. We don't put carrots in the Greek salad, but that's how the director wanted, so I have no choice. And like I said, if if a wife gives this to her husband, the husband say, go home, don't come back. But it should do. This will do. And when we come back, I'm going to give you my Greek salad dressing with a special guest. And now I'm ready to debut my Greek salad dressing with my special guest, my son Angelo. Hi Angelo.
Well,
How you doing?
good.
Are you ready to try my food?
I am.
I just wanna be sure because at home when I cook, you never touch my food.
Yeah.
You never taste it, you never touch it. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. There you go. Eat your heart out.
So what do you have here?
Well, I have a salad, and the main thing is my Greek salad
All
dressing.
right.
He never does this at the house. In our home, he never eats this.
Yeah.
When I make Greek salad, forget it. This is the real thing. You eat olive oil, you have this every day, bread, you can live. You can live forever. You can live in the cave.
That's really nice.
Nothing wrong with that. And I'm telling you, I know, and I tell you, you can take it to the bank. This is the best. You dip bread in olive oil, vinegar, and spices. You can live in the cave. Boy, you practically eat the whole salad.
That's really good.
Really?
It's really good.
Well, listen. Greeks, they are the main people in the world 5,000 years ago, and they still are. So what if we have few financial problems? It's just a paper. I tell you this. This is McNeil. This is the best ingredient. This is McNeil olive oil, and who sponsored my show today. So thank you so much.
Now it's interesting. I've never seen a cooking show successfully work in a sponsor. Now, Tim Heidecker tried it, but would you watch another episode of Tim's Kitchen Tips if he used McNeil's olive oil?
Well, only if Tim was waterboarded at the end of the show. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you soon.
Looks really good.
Okay, yeah. Well, you must be hungry. If you practically ate the whole thing, that's enough. Get out.
We take some of this home. I'd like to.
Hell no.
I'd like to box it up.
No way.
I didn't think of bringing it.
I don't want to Greek death. No. That's it. This is not a Greek salad. No. The Greek dressing is, yes. Salad dressing is, but not this.
I could bring it to some of my coworkers.
Never mind. That's it. Enough. Out. Jesus.
Thank you, Sage. Sage made some beautiful dressing here.
A lot of garlic.
And so we're gonna try, but we have nothing to put it on it. No. Yeah, we're gonna clear the stage. We're gonna send this home with whoever wants to have some beautiful dressing. And that's Sage made. Thank you, Sage.
Great job,
Thank
Sage.
you,
Thank you.
Angelo. And we'll be right back with some spoken word. With some. This is a wonderful new artist that's gonna perform for you.